Hi, good morning to you. This is the November 3rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you in the midst of a warm and dry weather setup that's been ongoing this week, but some changes about to occur, at least in terms of temperatures. The primarily dry weather setup will continue for a while. There's a look at the Avalon Pier web camera early this morning here as we start off this Thursday, third day of November. Quiet along the coast this morning. The temperature there is 61 at Kill Devil Hills. And then we'll take a look here at uptown Charlotte from the Downed YMCA camera. Looking nice this morning. Temperature there in Charlotte, as I cut the video during the 5 o'clock hour, at 58 degrees. Not a bad start to the day. Really nice afternoon. Just temperatures running way above average for this time of year for yesterday. Lots of upper 70s and lower 80s for highs. The Triad, some of the warmest temperatures in the Carolinas. 82 the high in Greensboro. Up toward the foothills, 83 in Mount Airy, 82 in North Wilkesboro. Reedsville also 82. Obviously, that Salisbury temperature sensor incorrect from yesterday. That temperature sensor went offline, so that's not correct. But generally speaking, upper 70s and lower 80s across the Charlotte viewing area. The radar imagery is quiet across the Carolinas this morning. Now you go north of us, some areas of rain in the Great Lakes moving into the northeast. That is with an area of low pressure up that way. And along the trailing cold front, you have some showers and some thunderstorms through parts of Illinois, Missouri, and down into Texas and Oklahoma. But unfortunately, that front is really going to be drying up as it pushes into our region tonight. Now, big temperature change with the front. Ahead of it, a lot of really warm air across the eastern part of the country, even 61 at 5 a.m. in New York City, 55 in Augusta, Georgia, 62 at 4 a.m. Central Time in Mobile, Houston at 70. But you get behind that front, nothing brutally cold at all, but certainly cooler temperatures in the Rockies and through the northern plain states. Now, again, the southeast really needs some rain. Really significant drought conditions ongoing through parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, especially into Alabama, Georgia, parts of Tennessee. And that's some exceptional drought designation in that maroon shading. And then you get into the western Carolinas, very dry conditions too. So a lot of the southeast, of course, outside of the eastern Carolinas where all the rain occurred with Matthew, but a lot of the southeast could really, really use some rain. Unfortunately, in this front, watch this, as it pushes into the southeast, really dries out. And so you get a brief shower chance in North Carolina tonight, and that's about it. Look at this. Very little in the way of relief from the dry and drought conditions across the southeast with this frontal passage. So here you go, that front approaching today. Ahead of it, another warm day, and then that chance for showers occurs tonight, largely behind the front as that front swings on through. Your high temperatures, again, very warm across the region today. Here's what we're going with for your Thursday highs. And then tomorrow, behind the front, the cooler air begins to settle in. So we're looking at a lot of sunshine for your Friday, but that northerly flow in place, so your high temperatures are a good bit cooler than where we have been. There's your Friday numbers. Saturday probably even cooler. Again, that northerly flow continuing. Your Saturday high temperatures largely in the 60s across North Carolina, low 70s to the south, and then there's Sunday's numbers rather a little bit warmer. Tropics, nothing to be. Well, before I get into the tropics, I want to show you the upper level pattern. For much of next week, we're going to be on the edge of this trough out in the Atlantic. So I think temperatures for a lot of next week pretty close to average, maybe slightly above for early to mid November, and dry conditions continuing. In fact, I have sunshine in full force through my entire 7 day. Tropics, not much happening. This little area of disturbed weather here in the central Atlantic Ocean not showing any signs of tropical development. So here's the upper level pattern for today off the European model. Tonight, that trough buckles in, driving that cold front through here. And then you notice here, this is Tuesday next week. Small reinforcing push of some cooler air, but no big deal. Eventually, the tail end of the European model run, this is all the way out at Saturday the 12th of November, that's when you see in earnest some colder air moving in. But between now and then, temperatures starting tomorrow fairly close to average. So here we go on the GFS today, and then there's your brief shower chance tonight. Behind it, here we go. This is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Absolutely dry conditions over most of the southeast. Your coldest mornings with this incoming shot of cooler air Saturday and Sunday. There's the Saturday numbers off the GFS model for lows. There's the Sunday numbers. Again, notice still well above the freeze territory across the Piedmont. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.